Rwan, Thomas, dwyn y meddiant. O, pas lac. Jenkins, o, Thomas yn neud yn iawn am ei gam. Dyma Jamie Breeze. Breeze o'i benni lawr. Breeze i fewn i'r cwrt. Breeze o'r bediad gwych gan y golwr. Mae'n disgyn i Darren Thomas. Thomas, allo gael yr ergyd i fewn. Edrych am y croesiad. Yn ôl y dawi at Bradley. A mae'n gic o'r smotin. Mr Williams yn gweld bod yna drosedd gan Alan Goodall ar Gareth Evans. A mae'n gic o'r smotin. 1 munud ar 10 o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Craig yn camu fyny, yn gyrru'r golwr y ffordd anghywir. Ac efo 12 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Y tîm cartra ar y blaen. Caernarfon 1, Aberystwyth 0. McCormick ar gigol. Crowther i fyny hefo Mendes. Thomas cael blaen i droed i'r bel. Baines. O, pel hyfryd at Rwan. Doedd Ashley Rwan ddim yn camsefyll. Rwan! O, gwych gan Ramsey. Rhwystro gôl sicr i Ashley Rwan. Pas lac syth at Sean Bradley. Bradley a Madi ar i waro. Bradley'n dal i fynd. Dyma Breeze. Breeze ar ergyd! Ond taro'r trawst! McCormick wedi guro'n racs. Ond y trawst yn achub Aber. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Jamie Breeze oedd yn heiddi gwell. Edwards. O, ni gosod ti'n hyfryd i Gareth Evans. Fyna ler ochr gosod yma gan Bradley. Jenkins cael ei gyffyriad mond at Breeze. Breeze! A chi arbediad rhagorol gan Terry McCormick. Gareth Evans. Williams dan bwysau gan Declan Walker. Mae yna gerdyn fan hyn i Walker. A mae drosedd ar Joe Williams. O, mae Declan Walker wedi gweld y cerdyn coch. Declan Walker yn gweld cerdyn melyn. Ac yna mi nath o gymeradwyo Mr Tom Williams y dyfarnwr. Ac felly yn derbyn ail gerdyn melyn a cherdyn coch. A Madi taro'r trawst! O, mor agos at unioni'r sgôr. Bradley at Craig. Craig ar y droed dde y tro hwn. Allan at Sean Bradley. Bradley'n cael ei lorio, mae'n gic o smotin arall. Paulo Mendes, be ar wyneb y ddeiar oedd o'n neud. Bradley camu fewn i'r cwrt Cosby. A Paulo Mendes, wel yn ei lorio fo. Fel cael y croddi yn yr hanner cyntaf. Craig yr un ffordd. Union yr un fath ar gic o'r smotin gyntaf. A Nathan Craig, y capten, i ail gôl Caernarfon. Gyna Gareth Edwards. Mendes i fyny, mae'n disgyn i Darren Thomas. Thomas, mae Bradley allan ar yr ochr bella. O, hyfryd gan Thomas a Sean Bradley. Bradley, neu ti'n dair, ac yn ei gwneud ti'n dair. Mae'n mynd o ddrwg i waith i Aberystwyth. 16 o funud ar ail hanner wedi chwarae. Sean Bradley o'r bas gan Darren Thomas. Mae'n Caernarfon tair, Aberystwyth 0. Williams. At Gareth Evans. Evans yn y cam sefyll. Dyma Thomas. Darren Thomas. O, mae ddi mor hawdd a hynna i Caernarfon. Y bêl dros yr amddiffyn. Gareth Evans, sgwar at Darren Thomas. Mae'n bedair i ddim.
It was a decent game. I always knew it was going to be a tough battle. To be fair, I thought at the start, just having a chat of trying to get the message onto the players, it was just 100 mile an hour, and the game actually just didn't slow down. We've had opportunities within that little spell, but yeah, I mean 4-0 against Aberystwyth. You know, they're a decent side, they're a very good side, and personally I feel they'll be up there. I think they've got decent players all around, but again, I can't be faulting my players after that. 4-0 clean sheet against, you know, a top 6 rival, I'd say. And now it's on to next week now against Barry.
It's nice getting that manager of the month, and they say the curse of it, but you know, I don't see it like that. You know, we've been on the end of some bad decisions tonight, and we paid for it. So you know, it's a game of football. We come here to win. It was a good, entertaining game. Caernarfon played really well. Until Declan got sent off, I thought it was a great game, and it spoiled it a bit. But that's football. You know, we won't dwell on it. You know, we'll move on. We'll put it to bed, and we know we're still in a strong position for that top 6.
Ond eithon llangwecheda I ddechrau cychwyn chwaraewr y mis ar gyfer mis Tachwedd?
Ia, o'n i'n disgwyl yn onast, ond obviously edrych yn ôl, jyst gorau 4 yn y mis yna, ac di helpu y tîm i gael pwyntiau pwysig ar y bwrdd hefyd. Felly, reit trefft, ac mae'n wbeth personol i fi. Roed i gael chwarae yn yr Gynghrair, felly o'n i'n rili hapus i gael o. A'r canlyniad heno, a 2 gol, ffordd wych orffen yr wythnos. Yndi, briliant. Weekend off o'n i gael relaxio dim bach, achos oedd hi'n tuff yn allan yna. Da ni'n gwybod mae Aberystwyth yn tîm da, anodd i tor lawr. Ond heno, dwi'n meddwl, da'n di agor nhw fyny lot, creu lot o cyfleon eto, da'n ni blwyddyn yma. A dwi'n meddwl mae'n statement arall i'r lig. Da ni'n mynd edrych pwys o dan ni. Da ni'n just trio mynd ymwechol, da ni'n gallu.
Top 6, right on the tail of the teams up the top there.
Yeah, absolutely. I've got to be careful what I say, because a few board members in the room, etc. But you know, we set our stall out from the very first board meeting that we had in the summer. We wanted to solidify our position, like in the league, and have a good Welsh Cup run. I'm not going to mention who we got in the next round, because I said we need to put that at the back of our minds, because we've got, including this one, we've got 6 cup finals first and foremost. You're dead right. You know, the boys have been absolutely fantastic. They've got themselves in this position. But we've got 5 cup finals now. You know, this result means nothing if we can't go down to Barry and, you know, give a good account of ourselves. But we'll take it a game at a time, because that's another philosophy that we're by. Barry are going to be very dangerous. Fantastic home record down there, but we'll take the Covey Army down, and, you know, hopefully we can give him a little Christmas present down there.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, Nadolig Llawen.
Dim problem, Nadolig Llawen, ET hefyd.
Diolch yn fawr.
Did you get that? That was good, that, on the spot, wasn't it? Get in there.